two extremely cool new concept cars. One is all about speed, the other is all about the future. Cars that travel on land and on water. And we'll take a look at the Grasshopper, a cool custom 1965 Ford Econoline van that is blown and it's one mean green machine. I'm Rick Walker, all that and a whole lot more coming up right here on the SST Car Show. SST is brought to you by Stark Auto Sales, home of the ultimate worldwide scratch and dent car sale. Hi friends, I'm Rick Walker. Welcome to another edition of the SST Car Show. Let's jump right into high gear today with a look at a concept car from a new company out of Korea. The company name is Apex. Their concept car is the AP0. It's all electric and it is extremely fast. This is the Apex Motors AP0. It is electric, it is fast.
Thank you very much. My name is Guy Colborne. I had the great honour of leading the design team that designed the Apex AP0. I'd just like to tell you a few things about the car. When you're designing a car, any car, you try and give it a character. That kind of pulls out and actually becomes the design theme. And we started off with this car with the character of a dragon. Dragon is a symbol of good fortune and wealth, and we felt that this was highly appropriate for this car. So we've started off giving the vehicle a dragon face, particularly the characteristic around the eyes of a dragon, which gave us these incredible lights, this expression at the front of the car. This is giving us also a level of technology. We coined this phrase, Cyber Dragon, the integration of technology and character. So the front of the car has this in spades.
It has a single electric motor turning the rear wheels with 649 horsepower and 427 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 time, 2.3 seconds. Top speed, 190 miles per hour.
So we moved back from these incredible lights into the side of the car. We put a technology into the car, which is rear view cameras, giving us these fins which sweep back and give us incredible character on the side of the car, raising this area up.
Range, 320 miles. It weighs just 2,645 pounds. That's 1,380 pounds less than a Tesla Model S. The chassis and body are completely carbon fiber.
We've got this feeling throughout the car of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is an amazing, modern, lightweight material, giving us this incredible feeling of structure and integrity. But over this, we wrap a smooth, flowing form. You put these two things together, and again, the character starts to flow through. Car should engage, particularly sports car, particularly something that we're trying to take an EV and say, EVs can be exciting. We've also got this core theme at the heart of Apex of connectivity. You're hearing a lot about autonomous vehicles. We put an autonomous system into a sports car, but not to take something away from the car. We placed a LiDAR system. It's one of the primary systems for the autonomy. We place this at the center of the car. But instead of something that looks out of place, we've made it a feature of the vehicle. This idea of autonomy is followed through into the interior. So this connectivity, we've taken the idea of LiDAR and placed that into the interior as well. The connectivity of the driving experience. We've given the car a feet-up driving position like a Formula One car. This real difference of feeling inside the vehicle. You feel inside, integrated. The feet-up driving position also allows us to integrate underfloor aerodynamics, both of the front of the car and the rear. The car pushes itself down onto the road without having to put extraneous spoilers onto the vehicle. Connectivity also in the control systems in the car. We've mixed touchscreens with traditional systems on the steering wheel, traditional switchgear where you need it, but touchscreens where you want the technology. From the LiDAR, the challenge of this as a designer is how do you integrate something that may look out of place? So we settled on this idea of putting a structural fin through the car that connects the interior of the car in the structural tub, between the driver and the passenger, into the vehicle and flows out from the interior into the back of the car and flows backwards again. These ideas of flow and form and function and structure, absolutely the heart of what we believe a supercar should be. And as you run back, the car fin integrates with the back of the car to create this incredible, strong cross feeling at the back, which we put, once again, taking the ideas of the technology fusion with the lighting into the back of the car with this very dramatic rear light. The light became such an important feature that we've made it our logo.
About 500 of these AP0s will be produced yearly in the US and Britain starting in 2022. Pricing should start around $195,000. Don't go away. When we come back, we will show you Volvo's vision for the future.
The Super Geeks Pandora Box 11 Plus is the ultimate retro video game system with upgraded computer processor, full high-definition video output for use on modern TVs, arcade-quality backlit buttons and toggles, the most games with over 3,000 8-bit and 16-bit classics, Super Mario, Pole Position, Mario Andretti Racing, and thousands more. Call 1-866-248-1490 or order online at supergeekssuperstore.com. Super Geeks.
Watch movies, sports, and TV shows with no monthly fees. Get your Super Geeks Android's TV box. Simply connect to your TV with the supplied HDMI cable and connect to Wi-Fi. Watch what you want when you want, on demand in high definition, even 4K. A great alternative to cable, Netflix, satellite, and video rentals. Don't settle for a smart TV. Turn your TV into a genius with a Super Geeks Android TV box. Boxes start as low as $39.99 with full warranty. Pays for itself. Select from thousands of free online shows. We even provide remote service so you'll never be without your TV. Updates itself automatically. 30-day money-back guarantee. Call 1-866-248-1490. That's 1-866-248-1490. Available at thesupergeeksuperstore.com.
The Lotus, finally, an affordable hearing aid solution. Superior sound at a fraction of the price. From Siemens and Super Geeks. Hearing aids can cost as much as $4,000, but during this program, the Lotus is on sale for just $99. It has a digital processor that reduces background noise. Order through this special Super Geeks Electronics offer for just $99. Act now. Operators are standing by. Free shipping. Satisfaction guarantee means there is no risk to you.
It fits behind my ear very comfortably and I don't even realize I'm wearing it.
Order now to get tonight's special pricing at 1-866-248-1490. Change your life for the better. hear conversations again, watch TV, talk on the phone again. These are high-quality hearing aids by Siemens, an industry leader.
Hearing aids are so expensive, but this was very reasonable. I now can hear what people are saying, even in a noisy restaurant or a noisy environment.
These are high-quality hearing aids by Siemens, an industry leader. Order now at 1-866-248-1490. That's 1-866-248-1490. Or visit supergeekssuperstore.com to order.
Now I can hear everything, and it's changed my entire life.
Order now for just $99. 1-866-248-1490.
Sally hates paying for cable TV, so she got the Super Geeks Super Tana. Sally called 1-866-248-1490 and ordered online at the supergeekssuperstore.com. Now she watches dozens of high-definition TV channels for free. Sally gets all the major networks and specialty channels, even old classic shows. You can too, and save money every month. 100% legal, no more monthly fees. Her picture quality is as good as or better than cable. She even gets channels the cable companies don't offer. Compact enough to mount in your attic or on your balcony, and tough enough to mount on your roof. Plus, the Super Tana comes with a video amplifier and wireless remote control. Call 1-866-248-1490. That's 1-866-248-1490. Get smart like Sally and order your Super Tana at supergeekssuperstore.com.
Turn back the hands of time with antique Chevrolet parts. Since 1971, we've been sourcing parts from around the world to help you restore and maintain antique Chevs. Nose to tail fins, we have your parts. Call us toll free at 1-866-767-2787. Get help from a real person or go to antiquechev.com. Download a catalog, order online, delivered to your front door. Antique Chev, helping you turn back the hands of time.
Hey everybody, I'm Rick Walker. Welcome back to the SST Car Show. Splish splash, these cars are taking a bath at the Steve Plunkett Estate at the old Fleetwood Country Cruise Inn. Here's a trip back down memory lane with the Amphicars. Volvo's engineers and designers have a vision for the future that is both electric and autonomous. That vision has taken form in a new concept car called the VOLVO 360c. This is how the engineers and designers at Volvo see the future. This is the VOLVO 360c concept. It is fully autonomous. It is electric. It is a starting point.
The Volvo 360 concept is really an exploration of design possibilities of what a full autonomous, full electric car could bring. I mean, in recent years, we've all seen a lot of different autonomous vehicle concepts, but to be honest, they've mainly focused on the technical possibilities. But Volvo is a human-centric brand, so we actually wanted to explore how full autonomous vehicles fit into the needs of people.
With the 360c, Volvo is also proposing standardized communication technologies so vehicles can communicate efficiently and more safely with everything in the area, including other vehicles.
Moving into a world where we have autonomous cars mixed with pedestrians, bicyclists, and other cars, we need to look into a universal standard for communication from autonomous car to the surrounding. And today the communication with the driver is very subtle, but with an eye contact. We need to translate that. With the 360c, we present the results from our research. And this research shows that communications through lights, sounds, and body motions is the way to show the intentions of the car.
Because this is a vehicle that drives itself, different interiors have been developed, allowing passengers to ride, work, and even sleep while going down the road. The team at Volvo believes vehicles like the 360c could even be an alternative to air travel.
Domestic air travel sounds good when you book your ticket. In reality, it's a hassle going through the airport before you actually end up on the plane. So you spend more time going into the plane than on the plane, and it's not really pleasant at all. The airplane industry is gigantic. We have hundreds of millions of domestic air travel every year, and it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. So it's a massive business opportunity to find an alternative to this. The 360 concept is a way to start thinking about airlines on wheels instead of airlines on wings. Suddenly a car could compete with domestic air travel, and you could view Volvo then as an aircraft manufacturer. When the Wright brothers invented aviation in 1903, they could not possibly have imagined the future of air travel. But they started something, and that leap of faith, the first 15 meters of flying, that was really the starting point for everything we see now. And I view the 360 also as a starting point. It's more like the Wright Flyer than it's the final solution, but it will be a starting point for something totally different.
Safety and autonomous drive, they really go hand in hand. Autonomous drive will give you time back, it will give you comfort, relaxation, but it will also increase the safety because it will take the stress and strain out of driving and increase the safety of the traffic situation. Autonomous drive will be introduced gradually, of course, and with that comes a mixed traffic situation. Non-autonomous cars mixed with autonomous cars, and that, of course, will add extra challenges. There will potentially be accidents also in the future, so we cannot forget about the protective safety. This will be as important in an autonomous car as it is in today's cars.
Volvo is not the first to develop a concept like this, but it does have its own unique characteristics, and it does bring us one step closer to that first step toward the future.
It's really about going from selling cars into delivering mobility services to our customers. Autonomous drive is, of course, very interesting and will be a groundbreaking technology, changing a lot. First of all, it enables us to take the really big next step when it comes to safety, but it also enables the consumers to spend hours in the car doing something else than just sitting driving.
I think we are right now in a moment where we really need to discuss together how we would like our future cities to be. Yeah, if you look at a city, it's really designed around communication. That's the whole idea of a city. 1 million people living in the same place, but you need to communicate, you need to move around. It used to be by feet, by ship, by horse and carriage, and now it's by car. But of course, you also know how it is in the cities with all the congestion, all the parked cars. If you had driverless cars which could move around, did not need to park, they can be silent because they are electrical, it could really change the way a city looks like.
Don't go away. When we come back, we'll show you the world-famous Grasshopper, a 1965 all-custom Ford Econoline pickup. Want to save up to 40% on your next car? Learn how with Insurance Claim Auto Auctions, Canada-wide with worldwide shipping. StarkAutoSales.com, a better way to buy a car, in person or online.
The Super Geeks Pandora Box 11 Plus is the ultimate retro video game system with upgraded computer processor, full high-definition video output for use on modern TVs, arcade-quality backlit buttons and toggles, the most games with over 3,000 8-bit and 16-bit classics, Super Mario, Pole Position, Mario Andretti Racing, and thousands more. Call 1-866-248-1490 or order online at supergeekssuperstore.com. Super Geeks.
Sally hates paying for cable TV, so she got the Super Geeks Super Tenna. Sally called 1-866-248-1490 and ordered online at the supergeekssuperstore.com. Now she watches dozens of high-definition TV channels for free. Sally gets all the major networks and specialty channels, even old classic shows. You can too, and save money every month. 100% legal, no more monthly fees. Her picture quality is as good as or better than cable. She even gets channels the cable companies don't offer. Compact enough to mount in your attic or on your balcony, and tough enough to mount on your roof. Plus, the Super Tenna comes with a video amplifier and wireless remote control. Call 1-866-248-1490. That's 1-866-248-1490. Get smart like Sally and order your Super Tenna at supergeekssuperstore.com.
Bring back the excitement with these all-new Super Geeks retro video game consoles. 621 game SNES style. Super Mario, Street Fighter, Tetris, Pac-Man, and hundreds of other classic video games included. Plug and play on any modern TV and enjoy yesterday's classic games in full high definition. HDMI cable included. Systems come with 2 controllers. Order now from a real person at 1-866-248-1490. That's 1-866-248-1490. Or order online at supergeeks.tv. That's supergeeks.tv. Don't be fooled by cheaper systems. Super Geeks systems use modern HDMI cables for modern full HD quality. 1-866-248-1490. Supergeeks.tv. Super Geeks retro video game consoles, bringing the past into the future. Hey everybody, welcome back to the SST Car Show. We take you now to SEMA, the world's largest and best custom car show in Las Vegas. That's where we found the world-famous Grasshopper on display. This is a 1965 Ford Econoline pickup with a 460 V8 that is blown, and it is one mean green machine. This is what we found in the Auto Exotica exhibit at this year's Canadian International Auto Show. Well, everybody, that's all the time we have today. So until next time, I'm Rick Walker reminding you, when you can't get to the car show, we will bring the car show to you online through our YouTube channel, Facebook, Dailymotion, BitChute, and of course, through our website at SSTCarshow.com.
Maverick Multimedia Production.